Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these basic earrings. They're very easy to do. First, let's start off with the materials. You're going to need these nose pliers, round nose pliers, and also these 2-inch flathead pins. We're going to slide the beads through these. Also, you need 2 earring hooks or fish hooks, and also your beads, any style, any size of beads you prefer. If you're just learning to make earrings, this is a very easy style to make, very beginner friendly. First, you're just going to slide your beads through the flathead pin. Follow the pattern that you like with the beads that you have. I have 4mm size beads and 6mm size beads. So once you're done adding the beads, make sure to leave about 1 centimeter from the top so that you're able to make a loop with the pliers. Now you're going to want to get the tip of the wire with your pliers, looping it as you go, turning the plier as you go. Make sure not to close it all the way just yet because you still need to add your fish hook to it. So make sure you leave a little space, just enough for the fish hook to be able to slide through. Once the fish hook is in, now you can secure it and press down the pin, closing it up. Repeat the same steps for the second earring. This is how the earrings turned out. Very basic, beginner friendly earrings. All you need are flathead pins, earring hooks, and the beads of your choice. I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.